Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about. How long does it take to be able to withdraw money from Wealthsimple? Now, I know that this can be a really important question, especially if you're looking to use Wealthsimple for your emergency fund or to invest for retirement. So, I'm going to break down the process for you and explain everything you need to know. Before I get started, I want to be clear that I'm not a financial advisor. The information I'm sharing is based on my own experience and research, and it's not intended to be financial advice. With that said, let's get started. How long does it take to withdraw money from Wealthsimple? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including the type of account you have, the amount of money you're withdrawing, the method you use to withdraw your money. In general, it takes 1 to 3 business days for your withdrawal to be processed. However, it can take up to 5 business days for larger withdrawals or withdrawals made during peak times. Here's a breakdown of the different withdrawal methods and how long they typically take. E-transfer, 1 to 3 business days. Bank transfer, 1 to 3 business days. Check, 5 to 7 business days. Cash withdrawal, not available. Once your withdrawal is processed, it will take some time for the money to reach your account. This will depend on the method you used to withdraw your money. E-transfer, the money will be deposited into your bank account within 1 to 2 business days. Bank transfer, the money will be deposited into your bank account within 3 to 5 business days. Check, the money will be mailed to you and should arrive within 7 to 10 business days. If you're withdrawing a large amount of money, you may be required to provide additional identification. This is to help prevent fraud. Once your withdrawal is processed and the money is in your account, you can use it however you want. Tips for withdrawing money from Wealthsimple. Be patient. It can take some time for your withdrawal to be processed. Be aware of the fees associated with withdrawing money from Wealthsimple. Consider using e-transfer or bank transfer if you want to get your money as quickly as possible. If you're withdrawing a large amount of money, be prepared to provide additional identification. Withdrawing money from Wealthsimple is a simple process that typically takes 1 to 3 business days. However, there are a few factors that can affect the time it takes. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about how to withdraw money from Wealthsimple. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me on social media. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching. I hope this script is helpful.